Okay, let's look at this exponential equation. X to the power of 5, x to the power of 5 equals 100. Okay, I'm going to use apply the shortest approach to this. Now, let me rewrite the question here. X to the power of x to the power of 5 equals 100. Now, let me call this x to the power of 5 as any alphabet. Let me say a. Let's x to the power of 5 equals a. So that I will have that x to the power of a is equal to 100. Now let me take the power of 5 to both sides. Taking power of 5 to both sides, we're going to have x to the power of a to the power of 5 is equal to 100 to the power of 5. I can easily write this as, this can be also x to the power of 5 to the power of a equals, do I write this one to the power of 5? Because 10 to the power of 2 is 100. Remember, there is a law, an exponential law says that a to the power of m bracket 2 raised to power 2 should be equal to something as a to the power of 2 power of m. So it's the same. Is either you interchange this one here, this one will come here. That's what I did here. So now looking at this, you can see that this is the same thing as this, which is a. So I can easily say a to the power of a is equal to, do you know that 2 times 5 is 10? I can have to the power of 10. Now it is already isomorphic. Isomorphism now, because there is, when you have a to the power of a, or any alphabet to equal to b to the power of b, as far as the base has the same power, it simply means that a is equals to b. So we are going to use it. A has the same power, b as base has the same power. It simply means that a is equal to 10. All right. Now a is 10. Remember that we said that x to the power of 5 is equal to a. But that a is 10. It simply means that x to the power of 5 is 10. To get the value of x, we take the fifth root of both sides. Taking the fifth root of both sides, this will cancel this. We have x is equal to fifth root of 10. Let's check. Check. Look at the question. I will put, since x is fifth root of 10, another fifth root of 10, 5, x to the power of x to the power of 10, because x is fifth root of 10. So you know that 5 can cancel this, and cancel the fifth root. So I'm going to have 5 or fifth root of 10 brackets square and power 10. You get it? So now I can also write it this way. Fifth root of 10 bracket 2 times 10, that is power 2 times 10, 2 times 5, sorry, because we have 10 here. 2 times 5 is 10. This 5 can cancel the fifth root. So I will be left with 10 to the power of 2, which is the same thing as 100. So x to the power of 5, x to the power of 5 is equal to 100. It is correct. So the answer is x is equal to fifth root of 10. Bye.